Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to import do files in Stata. First, understand that a do file is essentially a script containing Stata commands. It allows you to automate tasks, ensuring your analysis is consistent and reproducible. We'll cover the straightforward steps to open and execute these files, making your workflow much more efficient. Let's get started with the basics. To begin, open Stata and navigate to the File menu. From there, select Do File Editor and then Open to locate your desired do file. Once your do file is open in the editor, you'll see all your commands listed. To run the entire file, simply click the Do Current File button, which looks like a play icon. Stata will then execute each command in sequence. For a more direct approach, you can use the do command directly in Stata's command window. Type do followed by the full path to your do file, like do c /mydata/analysis. Do. This method is particularly useful for batch processing or when integrating do files into larger scripts. Always double-check your file path to avoid errors, ensuring Stata can locate and execute your commands successfully. To maximize efficiency, organize your do files into logical folders and use descriptive names. Incorporate comments generously using an asterisk or double forward slashes to explain your code. This helps both you and others understand your analysis later. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Mastering do files will significantly enhance your Stata productivity, making your research more robust and easier to manage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.